Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. First, about this one, we just put number 4 going here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one, and we got 5/6. About this one, we have tan x, and we change into sin x over cosine x. Next, we need to simplify sin x on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 0 going here. And we have number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.